Welcome back, everybody, to another video.
Whoa.
Whoa, she's getting ready to swing. Come in.
Swing.
Come in, man. Get you.
Swing.
Thank you all for all of the love, and we are so close to 600 subscribers. So if you don't mind, take a second, beginning of this video, just scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, show us some more love. We're trying to hit 6 by the end of October. Yeah!
Yeah! I don't know if
Your
you guys
knees
heard
are
that.
so dirty. Yep, she just wants you to have the magnet. But, like I said, go scroll down. Come on, I'll wait. I'll wait. We'll wait.
He'll wait.
Yep.
I'm not waiting. Should have been done already.
Ouch. Dang. No love. All right, so what we're doing today is working on the Mk8 GTIs. Justice hit a cat.
No, the cat hit me.
No, she hit a cat.
No, I was Ubering and the cat hit me.
Yeah.
See, she knows. She wasn't there, but she knows.
Her little reflector is gone, and this is now an excuse to go ahead, take them off, and replace them. So what we're doing is we got a 2-for-1. We're doing both of them on both GTIs. What do you gotta say?
Mine are better.
No.
Yeah.
Hers suck.
You'll have to let me know which one's better.
Yeah, you know what? Let's have a little contest. Let us know down below. After you've subscribed, let us know which one you like more. So, we are ditching the old... They're not old, they're pretty much brand new, they're new cars. But we're ditching the nasty orange reflectors. We got 2 different ones. So they're not paint matched, but they are different shades, if you don't mind.
I can help.
Okay. Those ones are the garbage ones.
No, these ones are the best ones.
Why don't you show them what they're really
Black.
here for? These
They're clear.
are mine.
They're so boring.
No, look at that.
That's
That's
so
way
clear.
better. So, we're going to go ahead. If you don't have any Torx bits, you are going to need Torx bits because GTIs, Audis, Volkswagens, they're all Torx bits. But we are going to have to pull part of the fender liner off to get this done. And I believe they are T25s. So I'll update you in a second. I'll let you know for sure. But that's the plan. One more thing. This is obviously going to be easier if you can pull the wheels off. You can do it with them on. I can't imagine this is going to be much different from my Mark 6 GTI, but turn your wheels. This will reveal your Torx bits right here. You're going to go ahead, pull those out, and it'll give us access to the back of this reflector. We have now pulled all the Torx bits off of this side, which gave us access right there. And you're not really going to be able to see this, but that's what we're getting to. That back side of this reflector. We'll pull that off. This should come out with it. We'll go ahead and throw the new ones on. Should hopefully look so much better. Should give it a nice cleaner look. I'm hoping it'll kind of blend in with the turn signal there. So, if you haven't noticed, if you're doing this and you haven't noticed, this is not going to require a heat gun, but it'll make it a heck of a lot easier. So I'm going to find the heat gun, and what that's going to do is give us the ability to heat up the adhesive on the back side of the bumper and just make pulling it off that much easier. So I'm going to find it real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and do that. And she's jacking up her car because hers is lowered, so it's going to be a little bit harder.
A little bit too low.
So we've got our heat gun. And what we're going to do is I'm going to start out with the lowest setting just because I don't want to burn any of the paint or any of the bumper. And it'll be a good base to start with, see how it's working. We'll go from there. So we got that off. It does take time, does take patience. Keep working with it. It will come off. It is a pain in the butt. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the adhesive off of that bumper. Justice is actually going ahead doing one of hers. I just threw that on the ground. But this can go in the garbage. I'm gonna go ahead, throw these ones away, prep the bumper for the new ones, and then show you how it looks once they're on there. Hopefully they come out pretty good. I'm pretty excited to get rid of the orange. I'm also gonna go ahead and take off the rear, like, I don't know if you wanna call them spats or like guards for the quarter panels here and the fenders up front. They're just ugly. Her car doesn't have it, and I like that look much better than I like that. You got that first one on. This is the clear and not the smoked. In certain lights, it almost looks like it's not there. It doesn't really pick it up on camera, but that looks way better than the orange and blends in with the headlights and the turn signals pretty well. So now got at least one of both the different colors on.
Shut up.
Hello. What are you doing?
Kind of multitasking.
Say hi, everybody.
She growls at me.
So, this is the black one. As you can see, it's the smoked out look. We come over here and we have the, I don't want to say chrome, but it's like a silver / clear reflector. So, what do you guys think? This? Hey, move your dome real quick. Or that? Let us know down in the comments which one you prefer.
Hey,
I still like...
a cool video or something. Come on.
What's up?
With all the dirty, look how dirty the cars are. You can't like be like, okay, let me know. Well, the cars.
Okay, we will wash the cars because that is something that we need to do.
Yeah.
This one keeps us busy along with work. But anyways, black, smoked out, or clear reflector. Let us know. And then let us know once the cars are clean. So we'll do that. We'll finish up hers. We got one more side to do, which is the side that's broken. So we'll do that real quick. We'll go ahead. We will wash the cars, come back for a final look. Also, if you guys are doing this, take your time, be patient.
Don't be like me.
Don't be scared of the heat gun, but don't use too much heat. You don't want to bubble or crack your paint, but you do want to loosen up that adhesive because it is on there tight. Hopefully this side's a little bit easier, being that the lens is broke. So, Paisley's growling. So, like I said, just be careful. Probably set aside about an hour to do this, 30 minutes to an hour, just to go ahead and get these done. So, like I said, we'll go wash the cars, come back for a final look. We did do this one slightly different, and that's just because the reflector itself was already broken. As you can see, it's not there. So, we got a small pocket knife and just kind of ran it along the inside after heating up the adhesive. And that made it a hell of a lot easier for us to go ahead and pull that off. So, if you have the option, which we did, we just didn't do, I would probably pull the wheel off. I'd heat up that adhesive and take a small box cutter blade or a pocket knife and do that from the...
There's a plastic on the inside though that you gotta be careful not to cut.
I'm gonna say that again.
There's a plastic on the inside right here. You gotta be careful not to cut if you do it that way. As you can see, Austin clipped it just a tad bit right there.
But if you were to start from back here and just kind of work that corner up, then you'd be able to just work against the adhesive and pull it up.
It'd give you a little bit of leverage.
Yeah. So that's just food for thought. If we ever did this again, probably go ahead and try that, because my fingers are pretty sore after doing this, since I just used my grip strength on it. These massive hands.
Is that what those are?
Yep.
You know what they say about massive hands?
Massive gloves.
Big hearts.
Oh.
Same angle so you can see the two.
So now we have some much better lighting. We can actually see these side deflectors. Pretty dang nice. The car is much better than it was, but it's nowhere near perfect. I need to put in some work for it. Where's Rusty? Well, what do you think?
Of mine?
Yeah.
I like it more than yours.
Mason likes mine more.
Yeah?
And Sarah.
Well, I like mine.
So that's 3. You guys can help her win in the comments. But they are definitely much nicer than the orange, and it is so nice to have
Oh yeah, for sure. Both of them
those
are way better.
fixed.
They're even. Super pretty easy install. Well, easy install, difficult to get them out.
Just time consuming. And hurt your fingers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have some
They're all
new
tender.
calluses.
Same.
So, yep, definitely a lot nicer than the orange. So, I would definitely recommend this, but have some patience. It is a drying towel. You might want to squeeze it out first, but yeah.
It's not squeezing now.
Oh, man, I love the 40th and the black roof of Meerkats. Well, now I'm gonna go ahead and try and get a thumbnail for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this was informative. If you wanted to do this, I hope this helps you out. If you didn't know how to do it, now you do, hopefully. But we will leave off with that. Thank you all for watching, and thank you again for all the support. Here goes Motorcycle. And we will catch you next time. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.